Brad created a chart that shows the population of a town will increase to 96,627 people from a current population of 11,211. The rate of increase is an annual increase of 4.18%. Brad forgot to include the number of years that the increase will take. Let's figure that out. Okay, so we're going to use the formula we've been using for a while. The amount is going to equal how much you start with, 1 plus or minus the rate to the t. Now, if the time is going up, it's going to be plus the rate. If something's going down, it's going to be minus the rate. So if you look at like a car depreciating, like in question number 3, the car is going down, it would be a minus. Question number 4, the population is starting at 11,000, going up to 96, so we're going to be adding the rate. All right? So now we have to fill in the numbers we know. It says it's going to increase to 96,000, so we're going to put the 96,000 where the A is. 96,627 is going to equal, how much do we start with? 11,000 to 11. 11 to 11. And then we know the rate is going to be 1 plus, and it's 4.18, 0.0418 to the t. All right, so from here, I want to be able to get this part all by itself so that I can rewrite it as a log. That means I have to get rid of this thing first. How do I get rid of 11,211 times that? Divide by 11,211. Divide by 11,211. And then when you do that, you get a calculator, and you actually type it out. And we get 96,627 divided by 11,211. And we're going to get, I'm just going to round it right now, 8.62 is about equal to, instead of writing out 1 plus, I'm just going to write 1.0418. I don't need to add that anymore to the t. Now, notice how in my calculator, I have all the numbers in here. I'm not going to write them all down because I'm lazy. But I'm not going to clear out my calculator. I'm going to still use all the numbers. I just don't want to write them all down. All right, so now, I have t as an exponent. So how do I get it out of an exponent? Log it. Good. So it's going to be log base 1.0418 equals, of 8.62, got ahead of myself, equals t. So log base this of this number equals t. All right. So let's see if I can get some more light on this. That's a little bit better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my calculator. Go to math. I'm going to go up to log base. I'm going to do log base 1.0418 of the number. Now I don't want to type it all in again. If I hit second negative, that's answer from the previous line. So answer from the previous line, way more helpful than anything else. I hit enter, and I got 52.5998. So let's round it to 52.6 is about equal to t. And let's see if that answers the question. It says, how many years was it? 52.6 years? Does that seem okay to say? I think so. It doesn't say round to the nearest year or anything like that. So 52.6 would be my answer.